Welcome back to my sewing room and happy Cinco de Mayo. It is a beautiful day here in Tennessee and 78 degrees and sunny. We are in the house though, and I bet you're wondering why we're not outside at the lake or in the pool. I have a special, exciting news for my sewing room here today. Last week, I was able to find a new to me Longarm setup, and I've got it up and running, and today I'm going to take a run at my first quilt top. I've done a little bit of doodling and a little bit of practicing. By no means an expert, but I am so excited. I just want to knock this one out and see what I can do the first run. So let's take a look. Okay, so far I have basted it down across the top and I've got my clamps kind of in a weird position. I decided to go with these, I don't know if you can see them on that end. They're sticking out here though. The red snapper system, and these clamps don't really want to fit over the top of it if it's laying on top like it is right now. So I'm just gonna make sure I don't have any lint on it and we'll start quilting. Okay guys, first pass done. Now it's time for me to advance the quilt. I'm going to take the camera down and let you take a peek. Okay guys, so far so good. We've made one advance now. I'm doing just kind of these wavy lines. I saw it on Stitched by Susan. The back of my stitching looks fine. I'm really loving the way this is coming together. So I'm going to speed this up again. It's going to get into our music because this machine's going to be a little too loud. Oh, I need side clamps. I pre-washed this fabric and didn't feel like I needed to cut it down to size. Figured I'd use all the extra, and I wasn't thinking about how these edges are pinking so badly I can't even get the clamps. So that's what you need on your first quilting event, right? One more thing to do. Okay guys, it's been about an hour and a half and I had to advance this quilt quite a few times. This frame is a little tighter than I would hope for, but you know, all in all, I can't say that I am disappointed at all. This is certainly easier than pushing it through my Juki, and I am so excited. I definitely have a lot to learn and can't wait to keep showing you what I'm working on. See you next time. All right guys, so I finished it up. I couldn't wait. I had to pull it off the frame. I put my binding on it and I am in love. If you have never tried long arm quilting, it is definitely a whole new beast, but it was a lot of fun. You know, I've been thinking, I know a lot of people name their machines and I think that that's really fun. I watch a lot of Stitch by Susan and Lori Holt, and I love that they have these unique kind of fun names. And I cannot come up with a name for this machine. It's a Q-Unique 14 plus, so it is definitely an older gal, so I think it should have a little bit of that kind of feel to it, but I just haven't found the right one. So if you can think of one, definitely comment below and let me know what you think. I hope this was fun for you. It certainly was exciting for me, and I will see you next time.